Hi, and welcome to ANIMA 2.6. In this video tutorial, we will review how to import and edit your motion capture in 3ds Max, import motion clips into ANIMA, and bring back your ANIMA scene to 3ds Max to finally link objects to the characters like umbrellas and bags. Let's start by opening the generic man file, available for downloading for free on our website. This file contains a male model rigged in a T pose, ready for loading mocap data. To add motion capture to the character, just select any bone, in this case the hips, and go to your right panel under Motion tab. Go to the biped panel and click on the folder icon to load your mocap file. On the browser window, select your file and click on Open. The motion capture data will be applied to the character, and now you can scroll on the timeline to check the animation. We need to edit our pose to make it look like he is holding an umbrella in one hand and a bag on the other hand. So let's go to the Layers tab and click on Create Layer. Now, on frame 0, we can rotate our arm and adjust the fingers to get the pose that we need. Let's also change the pose for the left arm. With the bones that we have just changed, and make sure they're still selected, go to Key Info tab and click on the plus icon to set a key. When you scroll on the timeline, you will see that the pose will hold for the entire animation. If your arm is too bouncy, you can go to the specific frame that you want to modify and readjust the rotation to make your arm a little more still. Set as many keys as you need on the timeline to obtain the movement that you desire. Now that we have finished editing the mocap, we can click on Export, select FBX format, and press Save. The FBX export window will appear, and in here, make sure that animation is also checked on, and you can click on Bake Animation if you need. Press OK to continue. And now we're ready to go to ANIMA 2.6. Create a new project or open an existing one and go to Editing Mode. Under Motion Clip Library, go to Project tab and click on the plus icon to bring up the Import Clip window. Select your FBX file, make sure that you are working with the same units, in this case centimeters, and click Import. Adjust your animation rotation if needed. Press OK to continue, and when the process is finalized, click on Close. Now your motion clip is inside ANIMA. We can go further and use ANIMA joints to edit the pose even more, and also you can assign categories to specify the type of animation to organize the clips in the Motion Clips library. Because this is a walking cycle, I will assign the locomotion walk category. That way ANIMA will try to recognize the animation loop. As you can see, the advanced loop in Cycle Editor turned red. This means that ANIMA doesn't recognize the animation as a perfect loop. To help the software match the loop, you can edit loop detection threshold, or in this case, just smoothing the animation with the precision threshold will help ANIMA understand the cycles of animation. Let's make a snapshot for the motion clip and add a description before saving. Your clip is in the Motion Clips library and also will appear in the All tab and Locomotion Walk tab. In the case that you want to create a new category, just go back to Editing Mode and under System Categories, click on the plus icon, name your category, and in this case Umbrella, and drag it to the left panel. Click Save, and now in your Motion Clips library you will find at the end the new category with the motion clip that we just created. Now you can create a walkway or any object, put some characters and assign individual motion clips to them, or you can also assign a motion clip to a specific section of the walkway. This way, when the actors arrive to that section, they will change animation. Now that we have the scene ready, we can save it and open 3ds Max. Inside 3ds Max, go to Import. On the file type, select ANIMA 2. Select your ANIMA project and click Open. A window with the available scenes will display. Select your scene and click on Open. Apply materials and scroll in the timeline to see the animation. Now let's import the 3D bag. Scale it, and now when you select your character under Modifiers tab, you can activate Show Linking Points. There will be green boxes on some joints, and you can use these boxes to link your 3D objects or accessories to match the position and rotation. With the linking points visible, click on the bag and align and finally select the wrist. You can still move, rotate, and scale your object to adjust it better. Let's also import the umbrella. When you have the right placement for the umbrella, click on Link, and now select the umbrella object and drag the wrist box to complete the linking process. Let's repeat the same process for the bag and scroll on the timeline to test the animation. You can add as many objects as you want to the multiple or individual characters and linking points. Thank you for watching.